This is the last chapter of my Himachal journey. Why is Himachal so calming? Do you know? There are few facts about it. Lower oxygen plus cooler temperatures subtly slow your metabolism and heart rate. Negative air ions are linked to improved mood and reduced anxiety caused by our daily hustle and bustle. Green plus blue landscapes activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest mode in us. Our body literally shifts out of survival mode. মানে এক কথায় প্রতিদিন দৌড়াদৌড়ি থেকে হঠাৎ অনেক দূরে সবুজ জঙ্গল, জল, আকাশ, ঝর্ণা, নদীর মধ্যে খুঁজে পাওয়ার শান্তি।